Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change in-app notification settings on Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then go to the settings, and here just select notifications and sounds. Right there, towards the middle of the screen, you can easily find in-app notifications options. There are three options that controls sounds, vibrate and preview, and you can simply by toggling on or off that switcher set up in-app notifications for your Telegram account. So what in-app notifications on Telegram are actually is, that is notifications when you are on the Telegram app, and by default just in-app sounds notifications is enabled, and you can in any time enable or disable in-app vibrate or in-app preview. Preview means that when you are on the chats, it will show you pop-ups right from here when you got new Telegram message. You can enable or disable these features in any time that you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.